Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. So, you know what time it is, boom boom. You know what time it is, boom boom. Time for Rachel to have her dinner. That's what time it is, boom boom. So guys, this is a special video. This is a thank you video to Lindsay. I'm not going to get too much into it because I don't want any backlash and I don't want her to receive any backlash either. But the other day, a week ago, was it a week ago? Last weekend I think it was. And anyway, she sent us a message on Instagram, and you guys know that, well, those who have been around a couple of months know that I was going through a difficult time, financially, mentally, struggling to find work, blah, 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 this, that, and other. In a few years, I've had to help financially, and I do thank those who did send some money, not that I asked, but thank you so much. Lindsay was one of them who asked for my PayPal, and I don't advertise it, I don't, but for some reason from other viewers I was being criticised, not Lindsay. And last week she sent us a message and I sent her my PayPal. I did, just expecting a couple of quid. I'm not going to say how much or what she sent, but what she did send shocked us. So I asked her what was her favourite meals. She said spaghetti bolognese, roast dinners and fried chicken. So I've done spaghetti bolognese. I have bought a whole chicken. I have. So I'm thinking to do a roast, especially for Lindsay. Yes. I mean, why else would I have a full chicken? So I'm going to do one especially for you, Lindsay, as well. I'm going to step out my comfort zone. And like I say, I just want to say thank you to everybody, even for your moral support. For everybody for the moral support. Thank you for everything that you have done. Words of encouragement. For being there. For still being here. Thank you. But yeah, this is especially for Lindsay. Spaghetti bolognese. I've got cheesy garlic bread. I've put it on the sides. I have. I've got orange, mango and passion fruit. And I'm going to try something new. I love coleslaw. But we are trying cheddar cheese coleslaw. What all? Because they didn't have the regular. And I thought, you know what? I love my cheese, so why not? Why not give it a shot? Gannon, let's have a try of this. Oh. You know me, I love my cheese. I do. I love my cheese. Did I say I put Parmesan on top? Is it Parmesan or Parmesan? Or am I just speaking posh? Parmesan. Even my son questioned this. He was like, what? I'm like, Parmesan. Would you like some Parmesan? Would you like some Parmesan? He's a wee out. So I'm sitting having me tea in pieces. I am. I love this idea. I got this idea from Korean mukbangers. Love it because it means you can separate your food, let it cool down, and then eat it and not burn your mouth, or try not to burn your mouth. Oh. Koreans have it the right way, that's up with that. I mean, they did start mukbang community. Oh, ooh. Splish, splash. Just gonna have a few eggs and then I'm gonna talk. You know what? English is themed. Well, you know when he says coleslaw with lasagna. Oh. Ain't wrong. Ain't. This garlic bread I got from Asda. It's the flatbread. And before anybody comes for us, I put my own cheese on. It doesn't come with cheese before anybody comes for us. Oh. But yeah, he's a way out. Because Newcastle are playing Brighton tonight. I think this is the last game. I do. Before they come back home. And then they're playing the Cellar Cup. That's being hosted at St. James's Park. And do you know what it is? This is what I love about the way the new owners are going with the club. Is they're doing this cup in the city. It's different clubs. I think some of them are from Spain. I think. But anyway, they're also including the Newcastle's women team, which I love. I love that they including the women's football team. You know, and not just that. They're the first club to make the women's team a professional team who want a league football club, like women's league. But that's how much faith they've got in the women. Do you know what I mean? And how much support they've got towards the women. Oh yeah. So, as I say, they can criticise the owners all they want. But what they're doing for the city and for the fans is just up there, top tier. I mean, they played Gateshead the other week. Newcastle United played Gateshead the other week. And every ounce of money what was made that day went to Gateshead. Newcastle didn't get any money. They didn't get no money. It was aired on TV, like on a sports channel. They got all the rights for that. Gateshead did. Do you know, that's how, you know, that people don't understand how they're doing good for the city and also the supporting Gateshead at the same time. So yeah, I love what the owners are doing. How much, like, spirit and momentum they bring into the city. So yeah, people can criticise them all they want. And the fans own what they build. Freaking hell. Do you know what I mean? The amount of jobs that's going to create, and God knows how many more supporters can get in there. Obviously, the only thing the supporters are wanting now is either an extension on the club to build 20,000 more seats or a brand new stadium. You're probably thinking, Rita, you're an eating channel. Anna! But I'm also black and white. Blooded. I am. It's in me blood. It's in the blood. It is. What can I say? It's all I hear about in the house as well. It's all you hear him talking about. Ugh. That's not even what I want to talk about, you know, but I'm I'm not going to get into another conversation now for how long the film is. That's it, even if you're getting this far along. But getting back to Lindsay and all of you who's supported us through these past couple of months, moral support. Honestly, you've been a huge, huge help to me. You honestly don't realise how much help it's brought us. Because words can bring a lot of joy, but they can also destroy a person as well. So when I was being criticised by people, you were bringing us up, you know, so. But that's all I've had all the way throughout me starting this journey, is being criticised by people, saying that I'm stealing stuff from people, that I'm copying from people, and I've had to go through. Do you know what it is? If I'm going to be 100% honest with you, right? The amount of hate I've had doing this, and I'm only at like 1,500, nearly 600. I didn't expect this amount. Like this amount of hate. Me channel being this like small, you know. But I'm looking at it in a positive way, and here's why. This is how I'm looking at it in a positive way, right? So it doesn't happen as often now, but I will get a lot of people saying I'm copying people and I'm doing this. Listen, I know all of that was coming from troll accounts or people behind fake accounts. Competition. People who are afraid of the competition. That's all I'm saying. They know that I can be bigger and more successful than them. And I'm saying that out loud. I am. I don't care what anybody says. I'm saying it out loud. I am. People are afraid of the competition and they don't like it, so they try to bring you down. And that's the way I'm looking at it. Yes, it might sound like I've got a big head. And trust me, in real life, I have got a big head. So I don't care. I'm saying it. And I'm saying it proudly. I am. Smack that. Saying it loud and I'm saying it proud. I am. Loud and proud, darling. Loud and proud. Because I'll support anybody, you know. I will. I love to support people. I do. I love to see people succeed in life. Everybody's got enough room to succeed. Do you know what I mean? Everybody's got enough room to succeed on this earth. Have you found your way down to Australia there? Still digging over? I'm still running? I'm talking to you? I can see you know. I can see you. Can you hear her? Digging into the freaking city. Trying to make our way to Australia. So pleased that I made this. Oh. You can't go wrong with spaghetti bolognese. Whereas fettuccine. A lot of fettuccine was the last in the packet. No, don't go now. Oh, lovely. Last couple of bites. Oh. So again, guys, thank you so much for the continued support what you have given us. And I hope you're here for a long, long time. As we're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Remember, if people criticize you, hate on you, they're jealous of you and they're afraid of the competition. They are. So, I'm going to remind myself every time I feel down to come back to this video. I am. And remind myself of that. So, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.